Hello friends, today I will be teaching you the different patterns of magnetic field lines. For beginning, I will be teaching you only 4 patterns. By the way, this is a 6th grade ICSE syllabus. For knowing what are the magnetic field lines, you will have to know what is a magnetic field. The space around the magnets where the effect of force of attraction and repulsion can be felt or detected is called a magnetic field line. In pattern 1, patterns produced from north to and south poles of 2-bar magnets placed near each other. The magnetic field lines attract each other. In this pattern, you can see the attraction between the south pole and the north pole. Remember, the magnetic field lines always go from north to south pole and not from south to north. This is a very important point. Now moving on to pattern 2. In pattern 2, patterns produced from north or south poles of 2-bar magnets placed near each other. The magnetic field lines will repel each other. As you can see, this is the south pole and this is the south pole. Well, we all know that same or similar poles do not attract but repel. These lines show that they are repelled. And as you can see, I have also shown the repulsion between this north pole and this north pole. The lines going from here do not go to here. They go to this south pole and these go to this south pole. So it shows that this north pole and this north pole do not attract. Moving on to pattern 3. Patterns of magnetic field between 2-bar magnets placed side by side with like poles adjacent. The magnetic field lines repel each other. As you can see, these two magnets will repel as north-north pole are together and south-south pole are together. Now I'll be moving on to pattern 4. Pattern 4. Patterns of magnetic field of horseshoe magnet. The magnetic field lines will repel each other. As you can see, these obviously will meet, but these lines show repulsion between the other magnets, and obviously, like other patterns, you can see the magnetic field lines going from north to south and not from south to north. The magnetic field lines have the following properties. They are closed and continuous curves. They are directed from the north pole towards the south pole of the magnet. They never intersect with one another. If two field lines intersect, there would be two directions of the magnetic field at that point, which is not possible. They are concentrated near the poles of the magnet, where the magnetic field is strong, and are separated near the middle of the magnet and far from the magnet where the magnetic field is weak. These are the magnetic field lines I have just showed you. Pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3 and pattern 4. This is the simple magnetic field lines. These patterns traced by iron filings are due to the force acting on them in magnetic field of the bar magnet. They are called as lines of magnetic field. I hope you have cleared all your doubts. This video is made by Simar Singh. I hope you liked the video and understand all the concepts.